Home Show.
Rod from Baycliff has a pointed problem.
And it looks like this. As you can see, yeah, a little bit. He says, my backyard corner's final column of bricks are cracking away from the house. And I think maybe it's because I put my gate receiver post right next to the house without any significant distance away from the house. I'm wondering how I should repair this crack. What say you, Tom, and no wisecracks?
First off, the receiver post, which is the post that the gate is swinging into, so it's not holding the weight of the gate.
The one right on the edge right there?
Yeah, you can see the 4x4 right there. But what I notice here is two things. Actually, three things. And I don't think it has anything to do with that post. And so my answer is no, it's too far away. That's a coin corner there, and it's the way they did it. But look at the gutter, and then look at the corner of the concrete below where the brick sits. The concrete is chipped off, so there's nothing supporting the brick. And most importantly, somebody smacked the crud out of that gutter. And whoever did that, it has to have something to do with the crack, because the crack is right there and stops where the biggest, well, the second biggest, or maybe they're pretty equal, smack of the gutter is where it's all dented in. I really think it just needs to be pointed and fixed. And the bottom part of the gutter, call custom gutters, let them replace that gutter and attach it properly and have the brick fixed. And don't worry too much about that little bit of concrete below, why that's off. Maybe it's the guy with a lawnmower hit the whole thing. I don't know, but I really think somebody hit that and it just stressed the brick enough to crack it right there at that point. It's not going up any higher. It's too far away from a separate post that's in the ground. It has nothing to do with the receiver post. Don't start digging that all up. Just fix it, and I think you'll be fine.
So a brick repair company can probably fix that easy enough. Maybe even
brick repair company take care of the brick. Custom gutters, go ahead and attach the gutter properly and have that bottom piece fixed, because it's obviously damaged. And just fix the whole corner, and I think you're done. It's not a huge expense, but I can tell you it's not foundation problems. It's not that receiver post that where the gate swings into it and just latches. Issue. It is going to be somebody hit that corner, I think, and just stressed it enough to where you get a little bit of crack going up.
You know who fixed that? Who sent somebody to my house to fix some of that stuff for me after he did some work on the house? Jim Hardwick at Ideal Roofing has a guy who does that.
That makes sense, because they have to do chimneys and stuff, and they have to patch around a little bit.
So he's got a guy.
And walls, where walls come up to the roof, and it's brick. They got to. So there you go.
He's got a brick repair guy, and I'll bet you he can point that guy at you and get it.
Or you know what else you could do?
Point the guy over there.
Yeah, I got it.
A little masonry humor for you there. I know you're a mason, so I'm kind of on your turf.
Well, I'm a Freemason, but
right.
You could take some matching.
Wait, you're free? Tom's working for free.
Caulk the crack. Put the oversized downspout back in front of it so you don't see it anyway, and have the gutter fixed. Then you don't even have to call the masons.
Just cover the crack up with the gutter.
Just saying. Okay.
You're out. I love it. We didn't say that.
Oh, Charlie liked that idea.
I did. I like that a lot. All right. Oh, boy. Do you have a question? We'd like to help you out just like that. Well, maybe better. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button, the blue one on the home page. It'll bring you to this page, and you can use our form to send in a picture or a question like Rob did there, and we'll help you out the same way. Or, like I said, better. And we post a new video every day at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, of course, and our Facebook page. If you've not liked our Facebook page, hi.